Kennison gave 30% of his baseball cards to Ahmed and 25% to Piotr. We should just call him Peter. If he still had 540 cards, how many did he have originally? Okay, so let's just let X equal the number of cards Kennison had originally. And that's what we're solving for, right? How many did he have originally? That's what we're solving for. So if he gave away 30% of his cards to Ahmed and 25% of his cards to Piotr, that means that he gave away 55% of his cards. Okay? So how many cards does he still have left then? Well, if he gave away 55%, that means that he still has 45% of the original number of cards, right? How did I get this number? Well, 100% minus 55% is 45%, right? So we know that he has 540 cards left, even after he gave away 55% of his cards, right? So we can set up this equation to represent the remaining number of cards, which is 45% of X is equal to 540, right? Because he still has 45% of his cards, and we know the number of cards he has, right? So, remember, this is basically the percentage of cards left. This is equal to the number of cards left, and the only way we can get 540 is basically if we multiply this percentage by X, and X should represent the total number of cards he had originally. Okay, so all we're going to do here is this just becomes, let's write it here, 0.45x is equal to 540. So if you divide by 0.45, you get x is equal to 1,200. So this means that he originally had 1,200 cards, right? So the main thing here is being able to understand how to set up this equation here. And it's really no different than when we have like written problems such as what's 30% of 100, right? In this case, our total is 100, and we're just trying to find out what is 30% of 100, right? Which is 30. But this is our total, and this is basically the percentage. And we're trying to find how much of 100 is represented based off 30%.